Hi, I'm Morgan Gant, CEO and founder of Swigch.com, and I'm also the author of the Lace Wig Bible. And today we're going to talk about creating the perfect foundation for your full lace wig. So when you are creating the foundation for any wig, whether it's a full lace wig or a lace front wig, the most important thing is that you are securing your hair properly. Okay, so the perfect foundation for a full lace wig cap is the dry wrap. So you can see that her hair is dry. It's beautiful and healthy. But we're going to actually do the foundation for the full lace wig cap, which is to wrap her hair around her head. And then we're going to apply the wig cap that matches her skin tone perfectly, which is the best foundation for a full lace wig. So here I'm going to start by just first detangling her hair. I want to make sure there are no tangles, no kinks. Her hair is very healthy. We love that. And we're going to start by brushing the hair in a circular direction. This is bringing her hair very, very tight and close to her scalp. Okay, and by doing this, it allows the lace wig to fall and lay very flat against her scalp, allowing the wig to do its job, which is to show that it's a full lace wig and that it looks real and natural, just as if it were her real hair. You see, it's got this like really perfect beehive shape, and I love that. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take the wig cap that matches her skin tone, and we're going to apply the wig cap to the top of her head. I'm going to take the wig cap, you're going to put your finger, there we go, and I'm going to pull from the front to the back. And by pulling down from the front to the back, okay, it allows her hair to be tightly secured underneath the wig cap, protecting her hair and laying the perfect foundation for a full lace wig. So this has been how to lay the perfect foundation for a full lace wig. My name is Morgan Gant. I'm the CEO and founder of Swigch.com, and I'm also the author of the Lace Wig Bible.